So what I've done is I've mixed up some thin set mortar mix. Actually, this is mortar mix. This is thin set actually. It's for gluing tiles to the floor. Then it's okay. We're gonna have to use the grouting or the caulking gun. So here I am, just pouring it out of there into this other cylinder. Now that cylinder, that should just about empty it. I'll just let that empty into there. Then there's our funnel done. Okay, so you can see this is, I've loaded this one up and it's already coming out. So we really need to have a plug on the end of that where we want to say fill this joint. We essentially have our gun ready. We put our gun together, push, whoops. So now we have to basically put it into the bamboo, and then we can use the caulking gun function to push the grout. You can see the grout is coming out. Now I'm going to put it up so that it will run into the joint. It's actually filling the joint up very nicely, and now it's coming out. So I think the joint is full. I'll fill the other joint just like that. Just squeezes in very easily because it's not the heaviest material. It's quite runny. Whoa, whoa. Gotta get used to this. So, see that one is full? And this one, now in a level site where it's level, you may have to tap have somebody else tap the, so there's the injected, a little bit more, so you can see it's running down a little bit into the joint. There. So that, and you can also see where it's coming out the bolt joint, but you know, if you get it mostly full, I think you're in good shape. Okay, so that's, okay Chloe, can you just take a shot of this? So this is the finished joint. You'd want to just clean it up after, obviously. But now these two joints are injected, and the whole thing does feel a bit heavier. Not a heck of a lot because it's not very much material. But then a person could take a cloth, if we had one, and basically wipe this off clean. So now the other important part of this is when you're done with your tool would be to basically, you can see how well that works. Now that shot is empty. I've got a bucket here, I've got some water, and I'm going to basically run it through this to clean it out. And so that it's nice and clean. Just like any tool, you want to clean it because the stuff will build up on the sides, and then you'll not be able to get it up.